If you've been struggling to find winning dropshipping products, I want you to watch this video to the end because this video is going to be perfect for you. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling here in April 2026. Now, these aren't just some random products. I know you see a lot of these top 5, top 10 videos out there and they show you a bunch of gimmicky, trending little gadget. This isn't that, okay? These are actual brandable type of products. Now, every product on today's list has real demand, proven content, and actual sales behind it. And the best part is I'm actually going to show you my thought process behind these products and why I chose them. So that way, if these 5 products aren't for you, you have the knowledge to be able to go out and find more winners for yourself. So drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It's greatly appreciated. And if you're a complete beginner and you're looking to start dropshipping and you just don't know where to start, how to get going, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. This is my full A to Z dropshipping program. It comes with a full course with everything that you need to be able to launch and scale your dropshipping business. It comes with support so you can reach out and get help if you ever get stuck. We do weekly winning product drops. We have store reviews, ad account reviews, literally everything. So if you want to check it out, link in the description. Hopping into product number 1, we have this Body Wise Hair Growth Serum Roll-On. I love this product. I've mentioned this product before, but it's a product that there's still other competitors coming into the market because this is a product that works. This is a problem that works. It solves a massive problem, a massive insecurity. People deal with hair loss all the time and they want to find a new solution that could possibly work for them, okay? And what's unique about this product is it's a roll-on. So you can basically apply this to any part of your body. So if you're thinking of different marketing angles, you can do, postpartum hair loss, right? You can do men and beard hair. You can do eyebrow hair. There's so many opportunities for a product like this. Now, as you can see here, we're gonna get the product for $8.09. So we can easily sell this for $30, $40 for just one unit and profit about $20, $30. But you're only gonna be able to do that if you use Team Drop, which is hands down my favorite dropshipping supplier. Now, Team Drop is an amazing supplier because they source products directly from 1688 or Taobao at factory pricing, meaning they're gonna get the best cost of goods. They're gonna be able to beat the pricing of all the other dropshipping suppliers out there that you're currently using. So if you want higher margins for the products that you're selling, you need to use Team Drop. Listing products is super easy. All you have to do is just click list to store. You can customize the variant pricing, the images, the description, and once you're done, you just click on list now and it's on your store in just a few seconds and it's ready to sell. I've never had a problem sourcing products with Team Drop, but if you're into print on demand as well, they also do that as well. They'll do custom jewelry, custom clothing, custom gifts. And you also get your own private agent / account manager from day one. You can hit them up via WhatsApp literally whenever you want and ask them any questions. If you have a product you want to source, they can help you source it. If you want to get better pricing, you can reach out to them about that. It's kind of nice to know that you have somebody by your side at all stages. And again, this is free. So again, if you want to try out Team Drop, it'll be the first link in the description. Hit that link. It's already free, but you'll get some coupons to be able to fulfill some orders and also some credits. So if we check out the competitor's video ad, okay, first off, the company's called Reverse Hair Co. They have 248 active ads. They've been running this ad specifically for 75 days. No one's running an ad for 75 days if it's not working, okay? So let's check out the video. So they start off with no more hiding my bald spots. As you can see, it's a men, so they're targeting beard hair growth. Okay, they're applying on the serum, and I'm pretty sure after this, they're gonna show a full beard, okay? Before and afters are gonna be very key. So as you can see, a much fuller beard after using this product for a specific period of time. So let's go ahead and check out their site. So right now, they're not offering any type of subscription, okay? So I would definitely do a subscription for this product because it just makes sense. People are gonna want more than one. If it works, why wouldn't they continue to wanna buy it again, okay? So they're doing a buy one, get one free, buy two, get two free, and a buy three, get three free. So a fantastic offer. So as you can see, they have a lot of before and afters, okay? Again, this is gonna be very key. People are gonna wanna see that it's working for other people. So yes, explain to them what the product does, but more importantly, show them what the product does. And their product page isn't the best, so you can definitely make something 20 times better. I mean, as you can see on the bottom, they only have 3 reviews and there's no image reviews. You can use an app like A-Reviews, allows you to import reviews from Temu, Amazon, and also from AliExpress, and you should definitely be able to get more than just 3 reviews. But yeah, fantastic product nonetheless. Definitely test this one. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the hair growth roll-on serum. Now, product number 2 is definitely a slept-on niche, no pun intended. So this right here is a pillow, a memory foam pillow for back sleepers. You've seen tons of different products like this, okay? They have pillows for side sleepers, for people who sleep on their stomach, like whatever the case may be. But the sleep industry is massive, okay? People are willing to spend tons of money to be able to get better sleep. Humans are sleeping a third of the day, so it's definitely something that has a high perceived value. So through Team Drop, this product comes in a black, gray, white, and also this like default color. And as you can see, you're gonna get it to the customer for $24.12. And if you wanna upgrade the shipping, you can always do so right here. And you can get it to your customer for about $1 more for 6 to 12 day shipping, which in my opinion, I would probably do. So let's go ahead and check out the competitor's video ad. So the company we're checking out is called Shape Sleep. So as you can see, it's just a woman laying on her bed, showing the different use cases depending on how you sleep, whether that's on your back, your side, so on and so forth. She also touches the actual pillow itself and shows you how soft it actually is. Very self-explanatory, but there's tons of different ways that you can actually market this product. You can really get into the pain point of having back pain and neck pain and waking up with cricks in your neck. Like, these are the type of pain points that customers that are looking for pillows are looking to cure. So this ad specifically has been running for 93 days. They have 45 active ads. So most importantly, they're actually still running this product to this day, as you can see, okay? And traffic by country is actually 78% to the United States. So you can take this product to a different market. And then also they're getting about 1K a day in revenue. So about $30,000 a month. And you can see they have 22,000 monthly visits, which is at 100% increase. And as you can see, they're getting more visitors each and every single month. These are all great signs. So if we check out the competitor's site, you can see Shape Sleep. They're calling this the Contour Relief Pillow. They're selling one for $34.95. There's definitely a shipping fee on the back end. They're doing a free sleep recovery guide and 2 free silk pillows for the 2-pack. I'm guessing this also comes with free shipping. But at $64.95, that's a hell of a good deal. Me personally, my pillow costs $100. I also bought one for my wife. So 2 pillows was $200. You can get 4 pillows for $119. So in my mindset, I'm thinking, damn, that's actually a pretty good deal. So they talk about the comfort, they talk about the support, the design, shows you how to sleep with it depending on what type of sleeper you are. And then there's tons of different reviews, and you can see that there's people that are actually getting this product, which is great for social proof. All right, guys, hopping into product number 3, we have this Dr. Malaxin eye cream stick. So basically the problem that this product solves is eye wrinkles, fine lines underneath your eyes. It's a problem that a lot of older women have. And this could be a product that you could target a little bit older of a demographic, okay? Because they definitely would want something like this. So if we scroll down and look at the product images on Team Drop, we can see that basically, again, improvement of wrinkles and volume around the eyes. It's also for moisturizing and dark circle reduction. Now, if we check out the product listing, we can see that Team Drop is actually gonna be able to get one of these to our customers shipped for $9.59, which is fantastic. We could do a buy one, get one free, a buy two, get two free. We can also run subscriptions with this product. But if I was selling this, I actually would recommend clicking on buy shipping method and upgrading to the Young Cosmetics line. And this is actually gonna bump up your shipping cost just by $1, but you're gonna get this to your customers within 6 to 10 days, which is extremely fast. So the competitor we're gonna be checking out is called Cocoa Beauty. They've been running this ad for 33 days. It's still active. And as you can see from the video here on the left side, it says starting using a Korean wrinkle stick. I forgot to mention it's a Korean skincare product, which has some of the best skincare products in the world, okay? And now I'm ID checked again, which basically means she's getting checked for her ID, even though she's 35 years old, meaning the product is making her look younger. So currently they have 543 ads running for this product. They're on a little bit of a downtrend, I guess, from the monthly visits, but they're still getting, 75,000 visitors a month, 95 visitors a month. I really wouldn't put too much thought into this. They have an estimated daily revenue of 9K a day. So this product is definitely scaling, it's selling, and this isn't the first company that I've actually seen sell this product, so that's why it's on today's list. So if you check out their website, you can see super branded. All they did was just throw this into Nano Banana, and I recommend you guys do this. So what I would do is I would take each one of these images, guys, and this is exactly what I do. This is free game, okay? Take all these images, throw them in a Nano Banana, obviously have it change the logo from Dr. Malaxin to your brand. And then what I would do is I would just have it change the font, and then maybe change like the actual text, like 75 to 80%, just enough to where it's changed and you're not just plagiarizing, but you're also getting the thought across. So what they're doing right now is a one multi-balm for $29.99. They're doing a shipping fee on the back end to get you to purchase more. Obviously, they're doing a buy two, get one free. Usually this one has free shipping, but it looks like their best value actually has free shipping, okay? Buy three, get two free, and then you get a free $20 gift card. And I've been seeing a lot of people do this lately, the gift card thing. It boosts the perceived value of the offer. I've never personally tested this, but it's super easy to set up in Shopify. It's literally just a gift card back to the store again. But again, people see free $20 gift card. They're thinking, oh wow, that's crazy. I get another $20 and maybe buy another one of these products again if I like it. They have tons of social proof. They have results. I would make sure that you're heavy on the before and afters. Some of these pictures look a little, they don't really look that real. Maybe you can find some better ones through Amazon reviews, AliExpress reviews, so on and so forth. But the review section is going to be very important. People are going to want to see if this actually works. But all in all, pretty solid product page, nothing that you can't make a little bit better. But again, this is a fantastic product. I love skincare products. The fact that you can throw subscriptions on this, again, this is the second product on this list that does not have subscriptions. And this is a product that definitely is subscription worthy. Hopping into product number 4, we have this color changing foundation stick, and we're sticking with the same niche here, okay? We're sticking in that beauty, skincare type of products, okay? Because again, these products crush, they solve massive problems, and on top of that, we can run subscriptions, okay? So basically what this product does is, one, it's a Korean skincare product, okay? So you can use that as part of like your ad copy, things of that nature. But basically, this is a foundation stick that matches instantly, I guess is the best way to kind of explain this. I'm not gonna say and act like I know the whole science behind it, but basically you put this cream on your skin. There's 3 different colors. There's an ivory white, a natural, and then like a deep tone for a darker skin color. And basically you put it on, it comes on as white, and it's just a perfect match for foundation. So for women, when they match their skin for foundation, it's like very specific. It's like a lot of different options. With this, it just matches to your skin tone, okay? It's basically the vibe, okay? So it can cover up tattoos, it can cover up blemishes, it can cover up a bunch of different things, okay? So that's the gist of the product. So as you can see from Team Drop, we're gonna be getting one of these shipped to the customer for $8.83. So again, we could charge $30, $40 for one unit, do a buy two for, around 50 to 60 bucks with free shipping. Maybe we offer a free gift. Then again, we can also have subscriptions. And this price actually has the faster shipping. So 6 to 10 days for $5.84. So you're gonna be getting this to your customer in a little over a week. So perfect. So if we check out the competitor, it's called Sunny Bee, okay? They've been running this ad for 21 days. They have 133 active ads. Okay, so if we check out the video, it says, I'm literally blown away by this makeup product. I absolutely love it. So it goes on white, but it matches to the skin tone. And on the other side of the stick is a brush, as you can see here. Okay, so you can use the brush to actually blend it in. So it's basically a 2-in-1 product, which is really cool. And you can see her brush it in, and it literally blends to her skin tone, which I think is kind of cool. So anyways, again, this type of product is really going to work if you're showing a lot of before and afters. So as you can see here, again, running for 21 days, 133 active ads. Their monthly visits are pretty steady. They're getting almost 200,000 visitors a month. So they're definitely making a ton of money. And they've only been really running traffic to the United Kingdom. So that may be an opportunity for you to go to a different country and see if you can make this product work. But as you can see, they're doing an estimated daily revenue of $9K, which comes out to about $270,000 a month. Now, this is where it gets crazy. This site is absolutely terrible. This is one of the worst ones on today's list, okay? As you can see, you never want to have emojis in your title. This is not even a branded name whatsoever. These images are god-awful. And this is why I tell some of my students, and I make content about this, that your site doesn't really matter that much. You just need a good-looking site. I mean, in this case, the site's not that great at all, but you need a decent-looking site, and your main focus needs to be your ads. It needs to be taking action. It needs to be finding a marketing angle that works for the specific product. A lot of you guys are spending way too much time on things that don't matter, okay? I mean, look at this, guys. Trust badges here. But again, people are purchasing, okay? So that lets you know that even with a subpar website, this brand is still printing. So I'm not even gonna show you this because I mean, it goes on forever. Jesus Lord. Like, what is this? It's really, there's no reviews on the end. There's just some random other products here. Lord, okay, so this site, not that great. They also have swimwear and God knows what else on this site. But anyways, fantastic product. And just a hint, I've also sold this product in the past and I've made some money with it, okay? So this is a product that's definitely a winner. All right, you guys, hopping into the fifth and final product on today's list. If you're still watching the video, I greatly appreciate you. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to go ahead and drop a like. But the fifth and final product on today's list is this seamless push-up bra. Now, I've sold push-up bras in the past. Very easy sell, doesn't really take much explaining. Simple video ad showing the comfort, showing that it gives that push-up bra effect. There's no wire in the bag, etc., etc. Again, a very easy sell. And with the cost of goods, Team Drop is offering $8 for one of these sold. You could definitely do a buy one, get one free, buy two, get two free. Women are definitely gonna want more than one color, especially if they end up liking them. So the company we're gonna be checking out is called Lay's Shape. Okay, they have 264 active ads. They have 27 days running with this specific ad. And this is the ad that I see for every single one of these companies. And apparently it's converting really well for them because again, this is like the fourth or fifth time that I've seen a company run this specific ad with a specific chick. Okay, so she's just showing that you can't see it underneath her shirt. That's another selling point as well. That's definitely important to a woman when it comes to bras. And then, yeah, you can see they have 264 active ads. They're only selling this product in the UK. So you have a good opportunity to be able to capitalize by just selling to a different country. Okay, as you can see, they're doing about 3K a day and they're on an uptrend here, as you can see. Now, I want you to ignore the 3.8K monthly visits because I've seen plenty of companies that are selling this exact same product, but I wanted to show this one because this is the only one that I feel like is actually doing it right. So the competitor's website is pretty decent. I'm not gonna say it's terrible, but it feels a lot better than the ones that I've seen in the past. They're doing a pretty good job as far as like showcasing what the product actually does. It's not perfect. You could definitely make something 20 times better. But I'm gonna show you some things that they aren't doing correct so that way you can come into this a lot better. So first off, I like their UPVs. I like the no back rolls, the 10 hours of comfort, the wireless natural lift. These are fantastic. I also really like the color swatches. I think this is great, especially for a product that in this specific niche, being able to actually see the colors is nice, okay? Also, make sure you have a size chart. Size chart is gonna be so key for this. You wanna make sure, especially with clothing, you're gonna have some returns, but the way that you negate some of the returns is by at least having a size chart. They're doing one bra for $36.99 with the shipping fee on the back end. So I'm gonna be very clear with you because I've sold this kind of product before. That's expensive, and I don't think people would purchase buy two, get one free for $74, okay? Especially from a brand they haven't seen before. And this is where I feel like you can beat them. I wouldn't say normally beat them on price, but in this situation, you can definitely beat them on price. So right now they're making, if it's $8 for one unit shipped to the customer, they're making $28 plus the shipping fee for one unit, which is insane, okay? And they're definitely making some money, right? So you can come in and sell the product for $29.99 plus a shipping fee for one, and then you can do a buy two, get one free for around like 40 to 50 bucks. That's a little bit better of a range, and I think that would sell much better. But they have tons of different social proof here. As you can see, these are literally videos ripped right from TikTok. I looked it up before I showed you guys this product. And then they ended off with some reviews. They have like a comparison chart here compared to regular bras and sports bras, which is really nice. But all in all, this is a product that, again, is a commodity. I don't think it's a hard sell whatsoever. And you could definitely make this product work if it's done right. And the thing that I love about a product like this is that it's so easy to then offer other products. And that's why fashion is so good, because you can offer more bras, you can offer underwear, you can offer swimsuits, you can offer all these different products, and before you know it, you have a massive clothing brand. And on top of that, the margins on these type of products are just insane. As you just saw, $36 they're selling it for, and you're getting it for $8 drop shipped. Imagine if you bought that product from Alibaba in bulk. You're probably talking maybe $1 to $2 per bra, which is crazy. So that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. Those are my top 5 winning dropshipping products of April 2026. Guys, we're already into Q2 now. You know, the year's starting to go by. I hope you guys are continuing to test. I hope you guys are continuing to learn from these videos. The whole point, like I've said before, of my top 5 videos is not so you can run and go test all the products that I give to you guys, right? Especially if you see this video, you know, months down the line. But I hope that I give you the thought process that you can go ahead and take and implement into your own product research, so that way you can find winning products of your own. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe. It's always greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much again for all the support. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see from me in the future. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.